If you want to create more than one avatar on your Instagram by using your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max, I'll show you how. Open the Instagram app and just click your profile and click edit profile and edit picture or avatar. Switch to avatars. So for me, I didn't create any avatar, so I just click first avatar. Create from, you can take a selfie and you can create. I just choose create manually. Choose your color. Next, and select the face shape, something like that. Then click next. You can also change the shape. Next, and body type. Okay, continue. Select the dress, costume, and click done. Save. Yeah, it's added. You can see that. If you want to add another one, click edit profile and edit picture or avatar. Switch back here and edit avatar. Click these three dots and switch avatar. And here you can see the plus icon, click that. Now create another avatar. Same process. You can switch between avatars like this. So this is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about Instagram, you need to watch this playlist.